Hey everyone, welcome to the page. We had another great open house today on Sunday. The video is all about how a real estate agent holds the perfect open house. There's a few steps that go to that. I'm gonna share those with you. If you don't wanna watch a real estate video, you can skip this one. Go ahead and talk about the open house. First things first, you've gotta advertise your open house coming immediately. So what I like to do is a video walkthrough. It gives my viewers and potential buyers the chance to walk through this gorgeous home, kind of a sneak peek. It's not a house that they'll be able to tell by just taking a quick look at the video, being like, yeah, thank God Jarrell showed me that, because that's not what I want. But what I can do is take that advice and find you something that you're looking for. So if you do need help with any properties, feel free to reach out to me. I'm always happy to help. Doesn't matter if you're in California, Florida, North Carolina, or Hawaii. So pretty much what I do is a video walkthrough, and I go through the whole home. Once I've got that video done, I'm gonna upload it immediately to YouTube. There's a whole editing process for the videos, and I'll have to make a video on its own about that. But let's go ahead and say you've got your video ready that you've made of a walkthrough of this new home. Gotta upload that video to YouTube right away. Post it as open house, make sure your SEO tags are right. Once I upload my YouTube video and I've got it done on my video editing software, I've got it uploaded into YouTube. Quick tip, you need to upload the raw to Facebook. And what I mean by the raw footage is, you've uploaded it into YouTube, don't click share, copy link, and pull it into Facebook. What happens is, Facebook's algorithm, it likes to share Facebook's content. So causing people to click out of Facebook into YouTube because it's a YouTube link that you've now embedded into your Facebook. And when you boost that post, you're not getting as much of a return because it's a YouTube link. What you should do, post it to YouTube so it's in your database for sharing the video, obviously, page as a hub for all your videos. But take that video, upload the raw to Facebook. You'll notice that the way it shows up is much better. It'll start playing automatically as people are scrolling through the feed, so they don't even have to click play. As they're scrolling, your video is already playing, which is a huge benefit to that feature. When you share the YouTube link, it strictly shows a link and a thumbnail image that's a still photo. This is a video, you want it to automatically play, you want to stop the scroll, you want people to engage. So that's important. So remember, upload the raw to Facebook and also upload it to YouTube for your hub of videos, kind of like your library. On Facebook, what I do is I let the video run organically for a day. Hopefully I've got my open houses sealed Monday for the one that I want. I'll go ahead and get the video done by Tuesday evening, Tuesday upload, let it run till Wednesday organically. Then what I'll do is I'll do a little boost, $10. Usually I'll put the address of the open house in and do 3 miles surrounding it. I want to get as many people in the area as possible, because those are the most relevant people. Sometimes I do expand it to get maybe a reach larger in LA. I'm in the South Bay and I want more South Bay people to see it. And we're still talking about advertising prior to your open house. Another way that you advertise prior to your open house, in addition to the Facebook, is you take that same video and you're gonna put it on Instagram. Normally I find the easiest way to do this is to put it in Dropbox. I've got the Dropbox app on my iPhone, and basically I can go into my iPhone on Dropbox and download it to my phone, so it's already small enough that I can on your phone. I have Dropbox on the Mac, I just slide it into Dropbox on the computer, pull it up on the phone, save it, and then it allows me to put that same video into Instagram, which sometimes I shorten it up a little bit. So those are the videos that you've now uploaded, inviting people to your open house. This is gonna get it out there with the right tags and influences from your page. And obviously if you're interacting on your page and liking other people's posts, it makes it better for your stuff to show up, and it makes you more relevant. We still have a little bit of advertising prior to the open house. Usually a day before, I'll do a story in selfie mode, just on my Instagram, and share it to my Facebook stories, just saying, hey guys, and this is to mostly my friends and circles of influence. Hey guys, I'm holding an open house on Saturday. Would love to have you there. And that just puts the word out there that there's an open house. Hate to be holding a beautiful home open that's perfect for somebody and not let them know. I'm basically just creating awareness by doing that. Another thing I highly recommend is downloading the app Open Home Pro. You can do this on your Android or your iPad, doesn't matter. Create a database so that when your clients come in, they can put their information in on the pad. Most people don't like putting it on paper anymore. They don't know where paper is going to end up. There's so many benefits to the Open Home Pro app, it's ridiculous. So, advertising during the open house. Every time I'm at the open house, I do a live video. Normally I'll do it on Saturday and talk about Sunday as well. I'll leave Sunday off because I don't want to just spam my friends and family and even my buyers all the time. I'll do another live video, a walkthrough of the house, and what that'll do is pin to the top of most Facebook posts because Facebook loves live posts. They love it. It's live action, it takes the guts to do it, so just do a live video and that will help you to advertise your open house on Saturday and get some of the local people into your open home possibly. I've actually asked people where they've heard about my open house, and they'll say, well, we saw you do a walkthrough on Facebook. It really does make sense as long as you're targeting the right demographic. So the live videos are a great way to advertise. Another thing is sign placement. You want to ride the neighborhood a couple days before your open house, check out the home, and that's it for advertising. As far as the open house, I buy waters. I also get some baked goods, something that smells great, and sometimes even light a cinnamon candle. I find that those aromas really are pleasant. A small wireless Bluetooth speaker that I put in the corner, and I put on coffee, jazz music, and it's like a piano or a trumpet. It's really beautiful music, really elegant, and I find that really sets a nice mood and a nice tone for the open homes. I also have my business cards and my flyers, which I display on the table with the snacks, and I use the Open Home Pro in the app. As customers come in, I'll offer a snack and say, could you please sign in? And it's almost like email for a snack in a sense, but it definitely works. And most people don't mind giving you an email, especially if you're a nice real estate agent and you're helping to advertise the home in a proper fashion. Last but not least, I use list reports, and that helps me to build the reports for information about the home and the surrounding areas, and I highly recommend that. So list reports is great. You also tie in your lender. All right guys, well, thank you so much for staying tuned and watching this video. Please hit the thumbs up if you like the video. Please subscribe if you want to see more. And have a great week.